Hey you guys, it's Nat G with another video, and as I promised, I was going to show you guys how to use the yoni oil on your yoni. Yes, this is a vagina. It's a model, so it's not the real deal. I hope you guys know that. Anyway, so what I have here is a 2-ounce bottle of my yoni oil and my vagina model. So let me tell you guys what's in this yoni oil. It has quite a bit of ingredients. They're all beneficial to the vagina. Woman's rose petal and buds, calendula, red raspberry, infused cardamom oil, cinnamon, lemongrass, golden seal, red clover, infused olive oil, vitamin E oil, organic coconut oil, and a lot of more great beneficial ingredients. So what you want to do is, shake up your little bottle a little bit or whatever. Take your own JJ, drop a couple drops of yoni oil on your clean hand. Make sure your hands are clean, okay? So I'll drop a few drops, like I'll drop maybe 2 to 3 drops. And with your legs open, you want to rub the oil in between the lips, labia, and around the vulva. Try to avoid the inside of the vagina. It's best that you use this externally, and I also have that notated on the do not insert the yoni oil inside your vagina. Do not. Now, if you decide to put it there and your vagina is fine with that, then so be it. But just be cautious to make sure you don't have any type of reaction, just in case, because it's not meant to go inside of that sacred spot. It's just meant to go around it. Anyways, so I'm getting all off the topic or whatever, but that's how you do your yoni oil. I had a lot of people asking questions. It's very simple. Like I said, take a couple drops of the yoni oil on your 2 fingers here. Rub it between the labia, aka lips, or around the vulva of the vagina. That's it. Try to avoid the inside of the vagina, but try it. Try the yoni oil. I don't think you guys want to be disappointed. I love it. I love it. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. Anyway, so that's my little one-on-one class on how to use Nachi's yoni oil. So if you'd like to purchase my yoni oil, it will be available on my website. And it is available on my website, not will be. It's available on my website right now under Yoni Care, Yoni Wash, Yoni whatever. You'll find my yoni steams. You'll find the yoni wash, the yoni oil, and much, much more. So you guys, take care of your vagina, because we only get one, okay? And that's it. And don't let nobody play with the one you get. Tell them to play with their mama, but not with her. And that is that. So thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time, I'll do another class on something else. Maybe, I'm working on this thing now. Excuse me, but who knows? I don't know. But you guys take care, wash your hands, wear your mask if you choose to, and just stay safe. Nat G signing out. Now I just kiss my fingers, and I just got to playing with this JJ. Thank God ain't nobody else's. I would prefer her to be a little darker tone. But that's okay. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna figure this out. I'm gonna have to get 2. I'm gonna get like 3, like white, like caramel, and chocolate, like me. Don't want to discriminate. So y'all take care. Bye.